One of our customers is saving about $30,000 by doing damage detection right at the loading docks. We have been able to reduce their cycle count times from 2 hours to about 10 minutes in a single day. This system can do that flawlessly and repeatedly over time, again and again. Let me tell you how, right? When the products were coming in, the warehouse workers are incentivized to unload the trucks as fast as possible. So when they unload the truck, put up the pallets into their racks and aisle, and they sign the bill of lading, warehouse or distribution center now owns the product. They cannot do a chargeback. They cannot claim to their suppliers that, hey, we got a damaged product 2 days later. When you have a system which detects damages right at that loading dock before you sign the bill of lading, you can save a lot of costs over there. Comparing the quantity that came in and then comparing that data with ERP is another important aspect. A worker can just go around, take pictures. It does the count for them. We did like a little bit of a social experiment over there where we asked 4 of their managers and executives to do a count of the pallets in a rack, and all 4 of them got different counts. It's just a mundane task, which is very hard for any human brain to focus on because you're just counting boxes, which look very similar. Examples on safety and compliance. What's important is to identify the near misses because near misses can give you examples of where chances of accidents are highest in your facility. That is the only way you can actually prevent it from happening in future, whether it's using that data to train the forklift drivers, whether it's creating slow zones in facilities, or even separating out the walking pathways from forklift pathways around yard and docks. Imagine yourself as the warehouse manager. How many resources were used to load and unload your goods? How much time did it take to load up your truck? Why was there a discrepancy in loading dock 10 where it took 50 minutes to unload versus 25 where it took 2 hours to unload? Having that real-time visibility around the loading docks really improves that. So the ability to integrate with different systems is the paramount philosophy, if you will, at Arvist. We work with existing infrastructure, security cameras, cell phones, tablets, scanners, just so that they don't have to invest in anything new. And then we go ahead on the other side, talking to automation tools like what John is putting in, or ERP systems like what Danny is putting in, so that there's a comprehensive process that we can give to a customer.